All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. How on a day, my fans? Are you day? Okay, this is the first episode of Nigerian Comedy reaction videos here on O'Shea React YouTube channel. Okay, I must say to my fans, I'm very, very grateful. This is the first episode. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to comment as you watch. Come on, everybody. O'Shea. All right, we're going to be doing this one from time to time. I see the hot. Okay, let's over to episode 1. Come on, everybody. O'Shea.
Okay, let me get the sleep.
They sleep.
Nigerian police wants to talk to you. Hello. Baby, get good afternoon. Hello, baby. Hey, baby, get the sleep. I can't pick up here.
See what happen. Sabine is not enter problem. Wahala.
Na passenger.
It's not a passenger.
The love between driver and passenger. Oh, let me your lover again. Let me your lover again. No, now. Not we drivers and passengers. There's a love we have for each other.
Love we have for each other.
Wake up, the love.
The guy they negotiate. He said, "Hello, babe, never die yet."
Before you die, give me your boyfriend number, please. Hello. No, the guy the body.
Give my boyfriend phone number. All these guys don't play football. Go scatter army, army breakfast. I don't enter wahala today. What up? Where are you watching from? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come on, everybody. Oh shit. Oh, but use your brain though. This is how they match. They go like zombie. Of course, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, now. The guy don't go back. You don't go back. See this one mouth. Do mouth like whistle. See them. It's just a para for nothing. Now army officer, look, can not go again. Eh? See this guy won't go fight. Okay, look where they look. Hey, come here. You don't run. They run. Come now. You don't run. My guy run for his dear life first.
What be this? What be this? What be this?
They push their forehead. Where you go now? Sorry, oh. Sorry, oh. Show my eye, they pay me, Abby. So mouth, do mouth like whistle. Like I said, the army guy don't come out there. You get luck today. You are lucky. Count yourself lucky. I can tell. Gbogbo handicap. You were not informed too. Chase on. Oh, go see whip. Yeah. Sabinus,
Uncle.
What do you want to do?
what do you want you spoon do?
Bring the package, oh, no
Bring
good.
the package, no good.
Oh God, have mercy on
Sabinus is a crazy guy.
Yeah.
This is for you.
Wow.
Man, I love Sabinus. I love Sabinus.
Okay, we need to start going now.
But uncle, you've not seen my husband, your brother now. You cannot just go like that.
Waiting I never see, what I never see since them born us.
Hey, uncle, he's back, oh.
Uncle don't come. You sure so these guys know they play while
Oh my God. Who are these men?
They're your uncles.
My what?
Your uncles.
so they know the
Yes, sweetheart. I told you my uncle is coming from the village today.
Yeah.
I know you've not met him before. But when he comes, take good care of him.
Oh boy,
Make him
they
feel like
don't
home, enough
impersonate,
food.
oh.
And that guy must go. I kept a lot of package for him there. Give it to him.
Sabinus an impersonation. He's also like that. He's always like that.
Oh my God.
You don't carry the see, smart boy. Smart boy. Okay. Today we will know who correct first. I can't take it up. This boy is a bad boy.
I need to be wise.
Be wise.
Run.
Wala, 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 wala.
This man.
This guy is doing wayo. There's a hole inside that bucket.
You were not a pumpkin.
Oh, but use your brain, oh. This guy, this small boy, they cheat you. Small boy, they cheat old man. See, you don't can, you know who they get the code. Okay, now. No be juju be that. Wahala, 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 wahala.
Like that boy.
Okay. Oh, but check that bucket well. It be like say all day inside. Okay. Don't bring my guy. Don't carry another bucket. Don't carry another bucket. Okay.
You can wish.
People are only qualified to guide.
They are only qualified to guide. Oh, yeah, no. Let me see if this guy is going to see it now. Okay.
Run.
How intake the one? How you take the one?
Sorry. Another
Omo, this guy, you have to shine your eyes. You have to be concerned about the hole in that bucket. It's like, oh my guy, don't run. The boy don't run. All right, where are you watching from? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Oshe React. Come here, buddy. Oshe. See you next time. Peace. Come here, buddy.